everyone. So today I have more of the Arteza paint mixed up. I actually have 13 colors picked out. One color is a turquoise that I mixed myself. It is the rest of the titanium white that I had, and also phthalo blue and phthalo green. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I just want to try a swipe with the colors. With every single color, I've added this hair serum. It's Argon Oil of Morocco. The third ingredient in it is dimethicone. If you're interested in checking it out, in the link in the description of the videos, I have a suggested art supplies list on Amazon, and I've added this to it along with another one called coconut milk that a lot of people have good results with. For my pouring medium, I've added Floetrol to help with the cells. I already have everything mixed up. In this one, I kind of want to do a rainbow of colors, so I have a lot. I also have a wet paper towel. It's damp, it's not soaking wet, but this is what I'm going to use to swipe with to try and get my cells. So the color that I'm going to swipe is black. This is the Mars Black. And then I'm just going to do my rainbow of colors down. I do want some purple, so I'll add that. Okay. So I'm going to move some of these out of the way. I'm going to add just a little more black so that the corners are covered. There we go. Okay. So for the swipe, just lay it over your colors and then just bring it down. Wow. All right. So I'm going to flip it over and swipe one more time. I want to see if I can get more of the black down into the bottom. So I just have my clean edge. There we go. I am going to torch just a little bit to see if I can get some more cells, but I'm mostly just going to let this sit